Junior Company. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat ng fans at supporters na narito, magandang gabi at maraming salamat sa pagdalo nyo. At we would like to welcome you to the Victory Jam celebration of the beautiful Santi Giant. We fell short by two games in the first conference, but in the second conference, God willing, we were able to bring home the bacon, and it was really a beautiful bacon, nothing else. So, we would like to welcome also our friends in the media. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo nyo. And later on, we will have the beautiful Santi Giants join us here on stage. But first of all, we would like to show you a full clip of the